Good morning, friends. Before going to announce a word of the day, let me tell some sentences. I am busy this morning. I am busy this afternoon. I am busy this evening. I am busy this night. Please look at the last sentence. I am busy this night. Is it right one? This night. No, it's wrong. I am busy tonight. Friends, a word of the day is tonight. As an adverb, its meaning is honor during the night of today. For example, this afternoon I am busy, but tonight I am free. Will you have dinner with me tonight? It's cold tonight. Friends, another meaning as a noun is the night of today. For example, tonight will be cloudy. Have a nice day, friends. Thank you. Bye-bye.